Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to open this type of adapter of laptop. So this is for the Asus. So you need the petrol and one container, fine. So or any small bottle. You have to fill this bottle first so that you can easily apply without wasting onto the adapter. No, I spilled a little. So let's close this bottle. So now your hands should be dry. Fine. So let's clean the mess. Okay. So we need adapter, petrol, and matchstick. So now you have to fill this petrol onto this cap. Fine, let's start from here. Let's do it. So you have to spill by just adjusting the edge of your bottle, any bottle, and just pour some into it. Okay, so this line is filled and some has spilled even onto this. So now put this aside, take a matchstick from a matchbox, and you have to burn it in a small quantity, fine, so that the glue or the adhesive that is going to be loosened. So fire shouldn't be stay long enough. Okay. So this is it. So now you have to put a knife. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so this has been opened easily. So you have to repeat this on all sides. So spill. Okay, fine. Is it visible? Okay. So I thought it was visible. Let's do it from this side too. Let me hold this and oops, it's too much. So you should be careful. It shouldn't be stay that longer. So that would be quicker, but you should be careful in that aspect. Okay, so now it's very easy to open this. It's a little bit hard on this side. Apply little force. Okay, so this thing has been opened. Okay, half of job has been done. So we have to do the same thing over here in this portion only. So this time I'm not going to spill much but a little. So that's why you should need a small bottle. Fine. So it's done. So this is it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.